If you love riding, you should love Kreosan. Mother often told me that in my childhood, but I always wanted to attach some motor there. And recently I found an old but very powerful chainsaw, Euro 2. And we have decided to fulfill my childish dream. Wow, that's powerful. That isn't some Chinese crap. That's Euro 2. That's 80 cubes, almost 6 horsepower. We've got these cool sleds with a steering system. Then we screwed some bolts in the wheel for better traction and attached a big gear to it, so we could convey the rotation power for the chainsaw directly. Now we will cut off the sleigh below to attach here something bigger. We want to place the engine under the seat for better weight balance. This is like a childhood dream comes true. I really wanted something like this too. We got a bike steering bar, cause the other one is too childish, just like that. Actually, now we have disassembled it to parts. We have welded the joints to the sleigh, so that the sled now can handle rough roads better. Everything is on joints, all welded together and greased. Here we have a steering track already, still on the original joints. The suspension will be in the back and will be connected to the frame. Eventually it will push the wheel to the ground and suspend the front track. And we've got the steering already. That's a nice thing. Look, I can raise it like this if I see a bump on the road, and the sleigh will go up even more easier. And also the back wheel will be pushed to the ground more. Let's try there the chainsaw motor, just like it was meant to be there. Here will be another piece of the tube and also some protection for the engine, so nothing could get inside the motor. Installing the drive wheel, and we have already found a small tank for it. Oh, the main thing, the suspension system that will push the drive wheel into the snow and rest. I never saw anything like this. Looks hella cool. I think it will go super fast. The only thing left to do is to assemble it. Snaps right in. The starter is in a good place now. Now I'm connecting the fuel tank. Fits right in. This chainsaw sounds like a beast. They made them high quality in USSR. Now we are fixing the gear properly. Look how bouncy it becomes from the weight, and the front is being pushed down too. It works. We only need to adjust, weld and grease some joints, and then we can test it. Our first test has shown no thrust. Our scooter was barely moving, and the saw wasn't raising the torque, and we didn't even film it. So we have taken a smaller wheel for the sleigh and welded some bigger gear to it, and there's more cogs now. This will increase the speed to thrust ratio. I'm just making things up on the going. And what is that? It stabilizes the chain so it won't wobble. Putting on the chain. Now I am installing the second tension roller. One is for stabilization and the other stretches the chain. And the suspension will be situated here. Here we go. And it's ready. Our snow scooter is finished. What a beast. Let's see what it's capable of. Let's ride it. Let me feed it a little and try to start it. Here we go. Despite that the wheel is not spiked, it is actually pretty speedy in the snow. Oh my god, look there! Oh, he didn't fall. That was hacking cool. The snow scooter is light and small, so we can easily fit it in the trunk of the car. It doesn't weigh more than 30 kilograms. It fits nicely in a car. Let's get it out of here. Can you show again how to start it? It has special grooves here and inside. And just like that. That's it. Amazing! Look how fast it is going right now. We're going to measure the speed of it via GPS speedometer. Nobody expected that it would go so fast. We were scared to go over 40 kilometers, that was dangerous. Despite this, snow bike could go even faster. I can't really compare driving this with anything else. You really need to try it yourself. Can I ride it? Okay, just don't break the steering. In that moment he forgot that he was 20. That's it. Fuse over? No, he broke the steering. It is turned off. Okay, it would break sooner or later anyway. And this makes it even more compact. Yeah, that's a beast. We didn't expect this rapidness. We have broken the steering, but no worries, my friends. We still have the road. Where are you going? Where the hell are you going? Okay, lead us, Susanin. I didn't expect that chainsaw can be that powerful. In the next video we will make an upgrade for the scooter. While we are on it, watch our other videos. For example, bike plus rocket fuel. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and join us on Patreon. Thank you, and special thanks for my patrons.